వేదాంతం అంటే ఉపనిషత్తుల జ్ఞానమే. ఈ జ్ఞానాన్ని ఎవరైతే పొందుతారో వాళ్ళు జీవనం తర్వాత ముక్తులై బ్రహ్మానందాన్ని అనుభవిస్తారు. అసలు వేదాంతం అంటే ఏంటి? అది మనకి ఏం తెలియజేస్తుంది? ప్రతి మనిషి వేదాంతం గురించి తెలుసుకోవాల్సిన విషయాలేంటి? మన ఆధ్యాత్మిక గురువు రంగనాథన్ శ్రీనివాసన్ గారిని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. నమస్తే గురూజీ.
నమస్తే.
మీరు ఐఐటి చెన్నైలో చేశారు, ఐఐఎం బెంగళూరు, ఇప్పుడు నౌ ఐఎస్బిలో విజిటింగ్ ప్రొఫెసర్. మీరు ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీరు ఎలా స్పిరిచువాలిటీలోకి ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ అయ్యారు, అంటే ఎలా టర్న్ అయ్యారు?
They are all connected. When I studied in these colleges taught me to think logically and ask questions logically. So I had a lot of questions on life for which I did not find answers. And I happened to visit Rishikesh and I attended a workshop by Puja Swami Dayananda Saraswati ji. And I always thought philosophy is philosophy, like any other child.
Yes.
But then I found very logical answers to these questions in Puja Swami ji's class. And that was a turning point for me. And then I realized that it all depends on the guru, the teacher, the acharya, right? Then year after year, I started visiting Himalayas. I started visiting Rishikesh, attending various workshops by Puja Swami Dayananda Saraswati ji. Then his disciple, Puja Swami Paramarthananda ji, a lot of other spiritual texts. Then I found very logical answers to my questions. Having done that for close to about 25 years, I thought it's important that I share the knowledge that I've gained from these people to the rest of the people, to whatever extent I have understood, right? And that's the journey that we have taken now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I heard that Rajnikant garu and Narendra Modi ji is also your disciples.
Yes, they are also students of Puja Swami Dayananda Saraswati ji. In fact, Puja Swami always used to say, don't call yourself a student of me, call yourself a student of my teachings.
Okay.
And there's a difference, right? You don't follow the person, you follow the teachings of the person, right? And that's why we say knowledge is supreme, right? So you follow the teachings of the guru.
Okay. ఈ రోజు మనం వేదాంతం గురించి మాట్లాడుకుందామండి. విల్ టాక్ అబౌట్ వేదాంతం టుడే. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ వేదాంత? అసలు వేదాంత అంటే ఏంటి?
There are many definitions for Vedanta. I can tell about what I have understood as Vedanta. For anything we do, any success in life comes through actions of the body and the mind. Right? Across the world, all creations have happened because of human beings, have all happened because of body and mind. But how to use this body and mind efficiently and effectively, that there is no text that explains that. And that text is Vedanta. It's like I see it as a user manual of life. Right? We go through all kinds of problems in the mind. We go through all kinds of body-related issues. How do you manage all that well so that you can create something really, really useful for human beings and for the world at large? That's the subject of Vedanta as I've understood.
మీరు చెప్తున్నారు ఇది యూజర్ మాన్యువల్ అని, కానీ వేదాంత అన్నది వాస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అండి వేదాంతం అన్నది. బట్ కామన్ మ్యాన్ దాన్ని చదవాలి అన్నా, దాన్ని అర్థం చేసుకోవాలన్నా ఎలా కుదురుతుందండి అది?
It's a vast subject, as you rightly said. It's very big, right? So there are different sections of Vedanta which talks about different aspects of the mind, different aspects of the body, right? And those aspects can be looked at when you understand the commentaries written. That's why direct Vedanta requires commentaries by experts. And when experts write commentaries, it's called as Bhashyam. And that Bhashyam will help a common man understand Vedanta, which is otherwise seem to be a complex subject. Vedanta only talks about the truth. So we need commentators, we need the people who have interpreted that in different ways, like Adi Shankara or other people, Puja Swami, Dayananda Saraswati. So they explain in a manner which a common man can understand, and then they can apply it in their life.